Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study from NVSir step by step. First, ensure you grasp the fundamental concepts from each lecture. Don't rush. Take your time to understand the why behind every topic. Next, make it a priority to complete all homework and practice problems assigned. This hands-on application is crucial for solidifying your knowledge. Finally, regularly revisit older lectures and notes to keep the information fresh in your mind and build a strong foundation. Moving on, active learning is key. When tackling problems, try to solve them completely on your own before looking at any solutions. This builds your problem-solving muscle. After attempting, carefully analyze any mistakes you made. Understanding where you went wrong is a powerful learning tool. Also, keep a separate notebook specifically for important formulas, key concepts, and common pitfalls. This becomes a quick reference guide during revision and helps consolidate your learning. For effective retention, schedule regular revision sessions across all your subjects. Consistency is more important than cramming. Make sure to actively participate in any doubt-clearing sessions offered. Asking questions is a sign of engagement and helps clarify complex points. Consider forming small study groups with peers. Discussing challenging topics with others can provide new perspectives and help you understand concepts more deeply, filling any gaps in your own comprehension. Finally, to truly excel, regularly attempt mock tests under timed conditions. This simulates the actual exam environment and helps you manage your time effectively. After each test, thoroughly analyze your results to pinpoint specific weak areas that need more attention. Focus your revision on these identified gaps for maximum improvement. And speaking of discovering new worlds, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals to enhance your learning journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.